There you go. This is a good one. It's a good one, bro. Yes. Oh, it's a good one. You saw that? Y'all. We got him. Beautiful, beautiful bass. There you go. There you go. Got him. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back. I'm back at it again. I was trying to locate bass in the last video, but I wasn't exactly able to find them. I was able to find other species, and there were some good yellow perch, you guys. Let me tell you that. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I'll leave the link above. Please check out that video. But we're back, seeking revenge, trying to see if we can find these bass, or trying to see if they can find me, whatever. I'll take it. If we catch other species, I don't mind at all. Also, just to let you know, in the last previous video, I left some tips and description of lures that I use and that I recommend around this time of the year. So you definitely want to go back and check out that video because I'll be using those lures again today. I won't be giving as much of a description today since I did that in the last video. The whole point is, can I find these bass and can we catch them? All right, let's get right into the video, y'all. All right, you guys, starting off this fishing session, just to let you guys know, today's fishing video or adventure will consist of 2 different fishing occasions within days of each other. But the video is mainly focused on 1 fishing session, but it will include 2 catches from the second session just to show you guys the 2 pretty cool catches. Also, in addition, just to let you guys know, I did catch multiple 10-digit fish both occasions, but I'm only going to show a few because it will be a super long video and you all will probably not want to see all of that. But I hope you enjoyed the video and let's get right into it. Sí, mordió, pero unas están muy chiquitas, ¿no? Ahí está. Oh, yes. Right at the edge. Oh, yeah. Largemouth. Finally. We found them, you guys. Largemouth. That was our targeted species. We finally found them. Yes. Second catch of the day, largie. The first catch was a yellow perch, but I wasn't sure if I was recording. I did record when I caught it and released it, so I'll show you guys that. If not, you saw it. But check it out. Our targeted species is a largemouth, and we were able to get it. All right, you guys, check it out. The targeted species, largie, little tiny one. We were able to catch one on our, was like our 3rd cast out there. Awesome. Let's go ahead and get a release. All right, let's recast. Try it again. Not even 5 minutes in, and we got 2 species. See if we can catch something else. Oh, got bit already immediately. The tide is extremely low, you guys, and I was really hesitant if I'm gonna catch anything, but the first few casts proved me otherwise. They're here even though despite the water's really low. All right, here we go. Still casting, throwing out this underspin. Oh, here we go. Yes, another one, you guys. We're on fire. Not even fight. Oh, this feels like a bass. This definitely feels like a bass. Oh no, it's another huge yellow perch. Wow, this thing is huge. Check this out, you guys. That's a monster yellow perch. Let me wash them off. Check this out, you guys. Monster yellow perch. I thought it was a bass because it was fighting hard, but I am using a BFS setup, so that's probably why it felt like that. All right, you guys, check this out. Beautiful yellow perch. Another one. Our 3rd fish of the day. Not even 5 minutes in, and we got this huge, hefty yellow perch. Let's go ahead and get a release. So we're gonna go ahead and get a release. of our third fish of the day. Look at that thing. Well, see ya. I think it's little yellow perch.
Yeah. Got it. The bass would have devoured that.
Yeah, it's a yellow perch. But there's also like little bass that I was catching last time. Man. Something small just jumped up. Looked like it was tiny though. Oh, I'm on. Oh, it's fighting good. Oh, it's something big. Oh my God, it's pulling drag. What is this? This is the bass. This has got to be a big bass. It feels good on this setup. Oh yeah. We're on, baby, we're on. Dude, what is this? It's got to be a bass. Oh my God, it's something big. It's a nice bass. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Woo! Here you go, guys. First one of the day. Nice. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Nice. I don't know, I'm guessing around 2 pounds on the underspin. Check them out. All right, first one of the day, you guys. 1.9 pound bass on the BFS setup. Let's go ahead and get a release. All right, first bass of the day. Get a nice release on it. See ya. Perch. Guys, we're gonna keep going. See if we can catch something way out there. Currently using the BFS setup on this underspin. Oh, a few bites there, a few bites. Yeah, I got a couple nibs on the way in. Oh, bite there. Immediate bites. Oh, another bite. You guys, I'm getting bites all the way in, non-stop. We're gonna cast, we're just fan casting, trying to see where they're at, but it seems like they're everywhere because I'm getting bites all the way. Another bite right there. Must be a little yellow perch. Oh, another bite there. Oh, we got him right in front of us. Oh, another largie, you guys. Yes. Yes. Another largemouth. Species that we're after. All right, so far, 2 largies. Little one, but I'll definitely take it. This is our 4th fish of the day, largemouth. That's the species that we were trying to locate. And so far it's a success. Two largies, 2 yellow perch. Let's see who wins today. Is it gonna be the yellow perch or is it gonna be the largies? All right, here you go, you guys. All right, fish number 4, little largie. Also hit the underspin. See ya. These fish are loving this underspin, so I'm gonna keep on throwing it. A little while longer. Looks like we got some hits over there. Oh, surprised he didn't get hooked. Oh, we came back for it 2 times. Wow, I hit it 2 times. Didn't get hooked. Something oh, we're on, y'all. We're on. What is this? What do we got here? Big head shakes. I think it might be a yellow perch. What do we got here? Oh, yep, yellow perch. Okay, fish number 5, you guys. Another yellow perch. Here we go. 3 yellow perch on the underspin. On the underspin using the Finesse setup. All right, here you go, guys. We're gonna get the release on this 5th fish, which is a yellow perch. Another beautiful, nice one. Here we go, we're on, baby, we're on. Yes. What do we got here? Another bass, baby, yes. Here we go. Another little tiny bass, but we'll definitely take them too. Little bass, but we're finally have reached the species of bass. We're definitely at double digits. This has to be fish number 10. Little baby one, but I will definitely take it. Fish number 10, here we go. We're gonna give it a nice release here, have it live another day. All right, you guys, we've gotten some bass and some yellow perch and some bluegills. So we got the trifecta, 3 different species so far. We're just trying to get, you know, a bigger bass. Trying to see if they're here also. Still throwing the underspin. That seems to be producing the most bites, at least consistently. Oh, this is better, y'all. We're on. This is way better. We're on, you guys. What is this? Feels good on this BFS setup. What are you? Oh, yes. This is what we're looking for, you guys. Big bass. Oh my gosh, he's fighting me hard on this BFS setup. This is exactly what we were looking for, y'all. Big bass. Let's go. Yes, this is what I was looking for. This is what I'm talking about right here, you guys. Finally, a decent bass. Check it out, you guys. Nice, beautiful bass. Ate the underspin. Check it out, you guys, on the underspin. Beautiful, nice bass. All right, here we go, guys. Our biggest bass of the day, about 1.5 pounds. We hit double digits. We're gonna let this guy go. See you, buddy. There you go. This is a good one. It's a good one, bro. Yes. Oh, it's a good one. You saw that? It's a nice one. Let's go, guys. We're on a good one. Oh my God, it's a beast. Oh, yes. Probably about 2.5. Yes. Here we go, you guys. Nice one. Here we go. This is what we're talking about right here. Here we go, guys. Nice bass off of the underspin. Beautiful one. All right, here we go, you guys. Nice 1.5 pounder. Let me get a release on it. See ya. All right, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and wrap the day. We got double digit fish. few different type of species, yellow perch. We finally found the bass and bluegill. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.